Hi everyone, we want to show you a quick tip that we use to have our carrots germinate even in the crazy heat of June. We sowed carrot seeds in these containers 10 days ago and the germination rate is pretty great here. Let us show you what we did using this other container. There are two parts to this trick. Here is part 1. We sowed carrot seeds in this one 2 days ago and some decent rain happened in the past 2 days, so we know this container has enough moisture. If the rain wouldn't have happened, we would have watered it well ourselves before we do this. We are going to cover this container with a cardboard. This will help retain the moisture in the container, which is what the seeds need to germinate, putting some rocks to keep the board from flying. We will keep checking this container over the next few days. If we find the surface to be drying, we water it. The challenge with this method comes when a few seeds have germinated and they need light. But we also know that more seeds need the moisture to germinate further, so here is part 2 of the trick. Once we see some germination, we replace the cardboard with these old glass lamp shades. These allow the light to get in, have an opening to keep the airflow, and at the same time retains a lot of moisture. For our large container, we will use a row cover and a bit of more watering to help rest of the seeds germinate. You can use other kind of cloche as well once there is some germination. We hope you find this tip useful and get some great carrot harvest this fall. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.